May the 28th at 2:44 p.m. This is the second time this chopper's come by. I can hear it. I don't know where it's at yet. I can hear it though. It's gonna come this way. There it is. There it goes. It has an orange tail. This motherfucker. Fuck you bitches. Get the fuck out of here. I got you on fucking film, cunt. Go. Stupid government fucker. The bad ones, get the fuck out. Do you understand me, bitch? Go. And I'm waiting for my billions. Do you understand? You're going to prison. Get the fuck out, cunt. Bye. Bitch. Yeah, later, you fucking dicks. Done. You're done. You're done fucking killing people. You're done putting black magic on people. You're done fucking destroying people's lives. Do you understand me, you pieces of shit? That's right. Sounds like they're coming back around. Yep, see? Look, they turn around. See that shit? They turn around. Yeah, you see me, bitch? You see me, right? Yeah, clearly. You fucking do, bitch. Get the fuck out, you cunt. Thanks for the evidence. Yeah. Thanks for the evidence, you fucktard. Get the fuck out of here, bitch. That's right. Turn your fucking punk ass around. Yeah. Get ready to fucking bend over in prison, bitch. You understand? That's right. Bye, cunt. Yeah. Oh, look, they turned it back around. Look at that shit. They turned it back around. Confirmation. I don't see them. There they are. Right there. Yeah, do you see me now? Do you see this bird I have in the air? Do you see that fucking bird, you fucks? That's right. Get the fuck out of here, you cunts. Oh yeah, you wanna, yep, look at this shit. That's a big fuck you, cunt. You understand me? Fuck you, bitches. For the third time, coming back around. Yeah. Get the fuck out of here, you stupid losers. Do you understand? And whoever's in that chopper is going to prison. Do you understand me? Yeah. Do you like to harass people? Let's see if they fucking turn around again. Let's just see here. I mean, what we got here? Besides a bunch of fucking bastards. Huh? Oh. There they go. Yeah, I still got you, your fucking cunt-ass bitches. Yeah, yep, they are coming back around again. Yeah, another circle. Here you go, you fucking tards. You wanna take another picture of my finger up in the air at you fucking bitches? There you go. A big fuck you in your assholes. Okay? That's right, cunts. Bye. Yeah, you wanna get it again? Fuck you. Fuck you, fucking cunts. Do you understand? Yes. And you bastards are gonna pay for what you've done to me and all of the other people that you've basically already killed and fucking took their money from and made them homeless and tried to drive them mentally insane. Yeah. Yeah, you tried a bunch of shit. Not cool, you fucking dicks. Fuck you pieces of shit. Do you see this shit? That's right, you fucking cunts. Get the fuck out of here, bitch. So it's a black helicopter with a bright orange stripe on its side and a bright orange tail. Yeah. They act like they're going away here. You can see it in between the satellites there. Yeah, let's see here. Yep, they're turning back around. They're turning back around. They're coming back. I mean, how fucking ridiculous is this? To fly over my home? Look at, they're coming back. You see this shit? Yeah, bitch. That's right, you fucking cunt. I see your lights on too. Yeah, fuck you bitches. Fuck you fucking whores. Do you understand that? Fuck you cunt bags. Yeah, oh, you coming back this way? Yeah, I saw that. I saw you taking pictures. Yeah, I saw the lights. So yeah, fuck you cunt. Get the fuck out of here, bitch. Get going. It is now, by the way, I'm gonna go back out there again. It's now 2:51 p.m. So they've been circling my home for 10 straight fucking minutes. And I'm trying to post my reading I just did about how there's bad FBI agents, good FBI agents. There's stolen money, stolen property, and the government's involved, and they're gonna have to pay me about $1 billion fucking dollars. So I'm in the middle of trying to post that video, and these bastards are turning back around again. Look at this shit. Hi. Hi, you fucking dicks. Yeah. Bye, you fucking assholes. Yep. I don't know if we're going to be able to get the tail on it, but I'm going to try and get really close on this video on the actual helicopter to see if we can get any information on it. But they seem to be leaving right now. We'll see if they come back around. Fucking assholes. Yeah. So it's 2:52 p.m. on May the 28th, 2024. These fucking dirt bags. Okay. Stay tuned, because this is going worldwide news soon, within the next week.